Hi there, my friends. Well, it's the time for the sharing session of the week. And today I'm going to share with you guys a very important topic, which is how much money can you actually earn via affiliate marketing? Now, I've been a full time affiliate marketer for the past couple of years, and I reckon this is not a very suitable question to ask because it is not difficult to actually earn money with affiliate marketing. However, I believe a lot of affiliate marketers are struggling, okay, not just in terms of making money online, but also even if they earn a good amount of income this month, then they start to worry about next month again. All right. So today's topic I want to talk about basically is about passive income. Now, when it comes to make money online, one of the most important determinant to ensure your so-called success is how much passive income are you able to generate every single month. And I believe, needless for me to say, all of you guys understand the importance of passive income, especially with the onset of the pandemic. All right, since year 2020, a lot of people lost their jobs, they lost their homes, declared bankruptcy, so on and so forth. All right, so that is also that also signifies the importance of having passive income in any form of business activities that you do, be whether it's online or offline. All right. Okay, now without further ado, let's go straight into my slides and let's see how I actually break down the numbers in terms of achieving the desired passive income that you wish. Okay, now from my screen you can see over here today's topics, importance of passive income, and there's a statistics that shows that an average American citizens needs about 7,500 USD per month. All right, this is on a per month basis. Let me just correct here. Per month. All right, in order to replace sorry, let me change this. Okay, in order to replace their full-time income. All right, so I did some search on the statistics involved, and it seems like 7,500 is a pretty good amount in order for an average American to actually retire comfortably as well. All right, so let's focus on this particular figure and let's crush this figure and see how exactly to achieve that. Now, but before that, okay, there are certain things that we need to do, certain homework that we need to find out. So our goal today is to achieve a passive income of 7,500. All right. So first and foremost, I need to find a product that gives high percentage in recurring comp. So needless to say, right? This is the point number one. I need to find a product that gives high percentage in recurring comp, because if the recurring commission percentage is low, then you need to put in even more effort in order to achieve the final outcome. Correct? Now the second thing is I need to find a product that would actually help my audience. So once you have actually found a product that gives high percentage in recurring comp, then you must also ensure that this is an evergreen product that will actually help your audience to grow, because you need to sell this product in order to start generating higher and higher passive income every single month. Am I right? All right. Now, sorry for the interruption because there's some renovation going on around my house. Okay, now point number three is I need to find a product that people would need, not want. Okay, what do I mean by that? I need to find a product that people needs in order to succeed, not that they would want to have, but rather they need to have. Okay, so this actually increases the chance of me getting the necessary conversions, the sales conversions that I want in order to achieve my passive income. So number four, I need to find a community that offers live coaching. Now this is actually a very big bonus, because even if you found a product that people would actually need, and you know that this product would actually help your audience, unfortunately, a lot of people, when they actually purchase certain make money online products, they're unable to achieve certain results because they actually need someone to work hand in hand with them. They need mentors to hold their hands and work together with them in order to achieve the results as being shared within the particular program or the particular product that is going to help them to achieve higher passive income as well. Okay. Now, last but not least, of course, I need to know the amount of recurring every sale. That means every single sale, how much is the dollar value that you are going to achieve. Okay. So I've actually come up with three different products over here. All right, now product number one, okay, it is something that gives a percentage of 60% recurring, and every single sale will give you $30 recurring comp. All right, so let's break down the mathematics and see. Now, if I need to have $7,500 every single month, all right, so if I divide by $30, I only need to have 250 sales. All right, let me say I need to accumulate a total of 250 sales before I start to see 7,500 recurring. All right, now with a 3% conversion, that means to say every 100 people who actually visit the sites, 3% actually purchase it. All right, so I need to have 8,334 real visitors to the site. All right, now with a 50% opt-in rate, let me say before the person actually sees the site, all right, you actually want to capture the email addresses, which is one step before it. So assuming you have 50% opt-in rate, that means to say you need to drive a total of 8,334 times 2. So it is 16,668 clicks to this lender. Okay, so as for how to actually drive this amount of clicks, well, I have a different other sharing sessions which I'll do in the future. All right, but one of the more direct method is of course via solo ads. Okay, because this is the fastest way to actually grow an email list. Of course, there are things like your Facebook advertisements, Google ads, Bing ads, your media ads, so on and so forth. All right. Now this is for product number 1. So the conclusion is I'll have 3% conversion rate. Every 100 people, 3% will buy. I need to have 8,334 real visitors to the site. Okay, now for product number 2 is something that will give you a percentage of 70% recurring. So it's about 10% higher. Okay, but however, each sale will only give me $18 in recurring, 1/8, right? $18 in recurring. Now these are all real products. Okay, these are all real products that I promote myself before. Okay, so when I do the calculation, I need to have 7,500 divided by 18, and that works out to be 417 sales. Okay, so because this product is cheaper than this, so I put it as a 4% conversion. All right. But it need not be the case. It need not be the case. It can be higher, it can be lower. But generally, rule of thumb, okay? Rule of thumb in this industry is usually about 2% conversion. All right, but I jack it up a little bit higher because this is relatively lower priced. So with 4% conversion, it means to say I need to have 10,425 real visitors to the site. All right, so how do I get this figure? Just very simple, 417 divided by 4%. All right, so for this case, it's the same, 250 divided by 3%. All right, so back to this example, I need to have 10,425 real visitors to the site. Now with 50% opt-in rate, that means to say I need to drive, again, 2 times the traffic. So it's 20,850 clicks to the lender. Now the lender I'm referring to here over here is the landing page. Okay, the squeeze page, the one that we use to capture email addresses for email marketing campaigns. All right, so based on these 2 examples, guys, so which one do you think is a better option? Is a better choice? Okay, now most people actually choose for this one because why? You just need lesser sales, 250 sales. Okay, even though the conversion rate is lower, but because of the lesser sales, you don't have to drive so many visitors to the site. Okay, and with a ceteris paribus 50% opt-in rate, so you just need to drive about 16,668 clicks to the lender. All right, guys. Now, so talking about opt-in rate, so some people actually ask me over here. So Ben, my opt-in rate is not 50%. Generally, it's about 30 to 40%. So does it mean to say that I have to actually drive more clicks to the lender? Mathematically, yes. Mathematically, yes, correct. But however, you can always increase the opt-in rate over here. Okay, you can always increase this rate over here by doing some changes to your lender. So most probably, your lender might not be suitable for the kind of traffic that you're actually trying to drive. So put things in a nutshell. If you are driving traffic via solo ads, versus if you're driving traffic via paid advertisement platforms such as Google, Bing, and Facebook, the lender is a different look altogether. It has to be a totally different look altogether because of the simple fact that the psychology behind this different means of traffic is totally different. Okay, it's totally different. So you cannot use the same landing page for solo ads to also be used for paid advertisement platforms. Right? Again, this is from my own experience. Okay, I can share with you. If you try to do that, you realize that your opt-in rate for the paid advertisement platforms or for the solo ads will actually diminish tremendously. It can even be as low as like 20 or even 25%. Okay, so there is it's pretty easy to actually change this opt-in rate. All right, you just have to change the lender. Now for the conversion, now some people again argue. So what if my conversion is higher than 3%, or what if my conversion is lower than 3%? Now, like what I mentioned, industry average is about 2%, all right, for sales conversion, regardless of any offers, usually, all right. So what I'm doing here is I'm already using slightly higher than industry average over here, which is about 3%, okay. And this is actually from my own statistics as well, okay, and same for this one. All right, now how about the third product? So the third product is something that gives a percentage of 80%. So the first one is 60, followed by 70, followed by 80. But this third product, actually, every sale give me $120 recurring. Now, guys, it's $120 recurring. So it is not something that is easily found in the industry. In fact, it took me quite a while and actually sourcing around and searching around and asking friends before eventually I found this particular product. Okay? And if I do the mathematics, now I need to have 7,500 divided by $120, which is what I'm going to get recurring for every single sale, which works out to be 62.5 sales. 62.5 sales. So if you compare, the first one is 250, second one is 417, followed by 62.5. So naturally speaking, this is the easiest to actually achieve the $7,500 sales, correct? So it sounds easy, man, but how? Now, very simple. Now I bring the conversion rate to the lowest, to the industry average, 2%. Okay? And this is the exact 2% that I get. Let me show you guys. All right? See, for the past 1 week, I channeled 105 clicks over. All right? And I got two conversions. So my conversion rate is 1.9%, which is about 2%. Correct, guys? Now, let's go back here. So with a 2% conversion rate, it means I need to have 3,125 real visitors to the site. Okay? 3,125 real visitors to the site. Now, with 50% opt-in rate, it means to say I need to drive, not a dollar sign over here, let me change this. I need to drive 6,250 clicks to the lender. Okay? Right, let's compare the three products. Based on 50% opt-in rate, product 1, I need to drive 16,668 clicks. Based on product 2, with $18 recurring, I need to drive 20,850 clicks to the lender. And based on product 3, I need to drive 6,250 clicks only to the lender. Which one do you think is easy? Or rather, easier? I would say easy. Easier to actually get your passive income of $7,500 per month. So needless to say, is this particular product over here. Correct? Is this particular, and incidentally, this product satisfies all the 5 criteria. Okay? This is a product that gives high percentage in recurring income, which is 80%. It's a product that helps my audience because this particular product is actually a series of training courses that covers A to Z about affiliate marketing, guys. About affiliate marketing. I need to find a product people will need and not want. Now, why? Because if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you really need to drill into the fundamentals. You need to have the patience to run through every single video within this course. All right, it teaches you the basics, the mindset behind a successful affiliate marketer. It shares with you what exactly traffic is, how to get free traffic, how to get paid traffic, and very importantly, in terms of the funnels, this product actually has their own funnel building software. So there's no need for you to actually purchase additional funnel building softwares like ClickFunnels, Leadpages, SamCart. There's no need to. All right, they have their inbuilt funnel building software. Okay, and next, there's a community that offers live coaching every single week, guys. Not every single month. It's every single week. Okay, so that means to say it actually helps a lot of newbies to learn how to use this particular product and start earning massive passive income. Okay, and last but not least, the amount recurring per sale, which is $120. Okay, now this particular just to give you guys a sneak preview, this particular product costs $150 every single month. Right? However, if you can do a basic calculation, all you need is 2 sales and you can already more than cover your cost every month. Just 2 sales, right? Because 2 sales give you $240 minus your $150. In fact, you're already profiting $90 every single month. All right. So, and then from the 3rd, 4th, 5th onwards, you are going to start building up your eventual goal of $7,500 per month. Okay, guys. Now, so if you do this comparison over here, this is how the entire mathematical breakdown will be. Number 1, find a product that gives high percentage in recurring income, and please understand the amount recurring per sale. And most importantly, 2, 3, 4. You need to have 2, 3, 4. 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. All right, because this will actually help your sales conversion as well. You need to find a product that would actually help your audience, guys. Don't just find a product that will give you high commission only. Okay, you need to find a product that will actually help your audience as well, and you need to find a product that people would need, and not just want it. And next, you need to find a community that will actually offer live coaching. Okay, and this is something that is very hard to actually find now on point four. All right, guys. So, if you want to take a closer look into the particular product that has been giving me a lot of passive income every single month, I will leave a link in the first comment or below this video. Take a look at it for yourself. It gives you 8 different sources of income. 8 different sources of income. And every source of income gives you the opportunity to earn 80% commission, guys. 80% commission. Okay? So with that, I'll see you guys in my next sharing session. And if you have any questions about this particular product, feel free to DM me, feel free to comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and take care.